looking at these and that, and we're just like, oh, that's so junky. Look at this. And then we found Pac-Man. It's so cool. Let's go see what we got.
We got the red guy.
Yeah, we got what's he called? Blinky?
He's like the really smart one in the game. Yeah, he knows technique.
Yeah, like there's
You can bend him up.
Blinky. I don't know.
He has to try to open.
It would be so awesome if we got the ghost that was like, look, it would be so awesome if we got that thing. I'm gonna get you, Pac-Man. Well, this ghost definitely didn't want to get eaten by Pac-Man when he has the power up. He's just sitting up here relaxing.